Hi. So here we have a very standard question for time, speed and distance. You have trains A and B, they start traveling at the same time towards each other with constant speeds from stations X and Y. Okay. So you have stations X and Y. Two trains go from X and Y respectively towards Y and X respectively, right? And they meet at a certain time. Now train A reaches station Y in 10 minutes. So for train A, it takes 10 minutes to reach station Y. While train B takes 9 minutes to reach X after meeting A. Okay, so if this is the meeting, sorry, if this is the meeting point, B takes 9 minutes to go from the meeting point to X. This is 9 minutes. Okay, this is what we have. Then the total time taken in minutes by train B to travel from station Y to X is what? So what is the total time B takes to go from Y to X? So to know the total time, we need to calculate the time it takes for B to meet A, as in meeting time. So let's say the time taken by both the trains to meet is t minutes. Both of them start at the same time from X and Y, right? So by the time A reaches meeting point, in the same time B also reaches the meeting point, correct? And this time is, let's say, t minutes. Fine. So let's say A reaches meeting point in t minutes, B also reaches meeting point in t minutes. Now, after meeting, B takes 9 minutes to reach X, and since A takes total 10 minutes, so after meeting, A will take 10 minus t minutes to reach Y. So these are the times taken by A and B respectively to reach the other end after meeting. And we also know that square of the meeting time is equal to product of these two times after meeting. When two people start at the same time, the time taken to meet, square of the time taken to meet is equal to product of the time taken by them to reach other end after meeting. We have covered this in the theory part. If you don't remember this, please go and have a look at the theory of time, speed and distance, where we talk about relative speed and two people moving to and fro between 2 points. In that section, we have talked about this, right? So here we have t square is equal to 10 minus t into 9. This is what we have. And now we simply need to solve for the value of t here. So we'll have t square plus 90 minus 90, and this comes on the left hand side. Plus 90 becomes minus 90 and minus 9 into t becomes plus 90. So t square plus 9 into t minus 90 is equal to 0. This is what we have. Okay. So now how can you split this? Think of two numbers whose product is minus 90 and sum is plus 9. Well, the numbers are 15, 9, plus 15 and minus 6, right? So we can split it as t square plus 15t minus 6t minus 90 is 0, and this can be factorized as t plus 15 into t minus 6 is 0. Okay? I hope you know how to factorize quadratic. So this is how you can factorize the quadratic. And then you get t plus 15 into t minus 6 is 0. Product of two terms is 0. This is possible when either this is 0 or this is 0. So if t plus 15 is 0, t will be minus 15. If t minus 6 is 0, t will be plus 6. Now since t is obviously time, it cannot be negative. So minus 15 is rejected. T is equal to plus 6. Okay. So time taken to meet is 6 minutes. So now the question was, how long does it take for train B to travel from Y to X? So the time B takes to travel from Y to X is the sum of these two times, 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9 is 15 minutes. Hence the answer to this question is option B, 15 minutes. Thank you.